Introducing the 2024 Ford Kuga ST Line 5D2 5PHEV225 S6 in sleek grey. Loaded with top-of-the-line features like air conditioning, heated screen, satellite navigation, and more. This MPV is designed for ultimate comfort and convenience, with advanced safety features like Auto Handbrake, lane departure warning, and Collision Avoidance Braking. You can drive with peace of mind. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer-specified servicing, and comprehensive warranty, this vehicle is in top-notch condition. Don't miss out on this stunning car. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie today for more information.